basically what we did, for example, this is a circle, right? So this is the bigger circle, right? For the bigger circle, the radius is 10 centimeter. And for the smaller circle, the radius is 4 centimeter. If you have radius, you can use pi r square, both you got, right? Area you will get for this as well as for this. Now, C1 is find the shaded area between two circles. This area you have to find, right?
Okay.
So if from the bigger circle, you will subtract the smaller circle. This area will be there. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you did the area for pi r square, you took 3.14. Radius was 10. So 10 and 10. So you got 340. And for the radius of smaller circle, area of smaller circle, you got this. So when you subtract this, right, you get 314 subtract 50.24, right? So of course here the 0 are there. Yes. So when you will subtract it, you will get this. Clear? 3,
Yes,
6,
ma'am. Got it.
and 2. So over here it will become 10. 10 and 4 goes 6 left, and this will become 9. This will become 10 and this will become 9, and this will become 3. Right? So 9 and 2 got 7. So this is your 263.76 centimeters square. Yes, everybody? Sandhus and Chakrika? No?
Ma'am, I just read like
Mama was still.
I got to write I instead of 6 I wrote 7.
Oh.
Like I did a calculation mistake.
Okay, no
But
issues.
ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Okay, so those who did it correct, fine. And those who didn't, then here's the answer. You can have a look. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Mama, I really don't understand area.
You didn't understand area? Why?
Like, because I keep on making mistakes, ma'am.
See, it's pi r
Whenever we do
square,
something.
right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So pi r square radius would be given to you. If radius is, for example, 10. Okay. So
Yes,
over
ma'am.
here, you have two methods. One, you can use 3.14 multiply by 10 multiply by 10. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Or
Yes. So
22
you got it. Or what you
22%.
can do, 22 by 7 multiply by 10 multiply by 10. Right? So over
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
7 is not divisible by this. So 2200 divided by 7. Now you can divide it, you will get the answer.
No, not only for this question. Normally, like
Okay, for every. So what you can do one.
not like all the not all the figures, but mainly for circle and triangles, ma'am.
Okay. So see, what you can do now over here, do one thing. Whenever these type of questions comes, right? First,
Yes, ma'am.
do the practice of formulas. Clear?
Pardon, ma'am.
First, practice the formulas. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Write all the area formula in one go. Okay? And
Okay,
whatever
ma'am.
requirement is there, just find it out. Okay?
Okay,
And
ma'am.
try it like practices because practice is very, very important.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just, I hope everybody is done. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's just start. Okay, so here you go. The first question, right? Quickly do it.
Ma'am, the first one we have to do, right?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a small doubt.
Hmm.
It's kind of weird to ask this, but
No.
um,
Definitely.
so if there are two numbers which can be divided by one number,
Hmm.
so we can only cut one number, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Because that number, if you will divide the same number, you cannot use for it, because it's already
Two
reduced.
times.
Right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody done, right? Okay, so tell me, what you got for the A1? A, Sandus will tell.
88.
B, wait. A, Sandus will tell. B, Vega, and then Chakrika. Okay, so A, Sandus.
Ma'am, I got 88.
Yes, 88 what? Unit.
88 is 88 centimeters square. Sir.
Next.
Ma'am, 176 millimeter.
Good. Next.
Ma'am, I
Chakrika.
think I got it wrong.
For the B1?
For both of them.
Huh? Are you using the formula pi r square or 2 pi r?
Oh, I'm using pi r square.
Why? You have to find circumference.
So it's basically like 22 by 7 into 14 into 14, right?
It's 2 pi r. 2 pi r for circumference, pi r square for area.
Okay, now I get it.
Okay. Do the C1 first and
So
tell us. Okay?
okay,
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I got something listed in the B1.
B1, what you got? B1 is 176. It would be like this, no? Radius is given. So 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 28, right? So 7, when the 7 under 14, 7 4s are 28. So 44 multiplied by this. So you get 176.
yes, ma'am, I got the answer.
Tell me.
442
Ma'am, it's
millimeter.
actually correct.
No.
The number I wrote is actually different.
Chakrika,
In
what do you got?
176 I got, but the last number what I
Hmm.
did something like I wrote something. I'm like my handwriting. I couldn't even understand myself. Like my
No
handwriting.
issues. Yes, Chakrika, you were telling something? Mm-hmm. Chakrika, what you got for the
Ma'am,
third
just a second.
one? You did some mistake.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Tell me,
got
tell me.
1388.2.
No, Chakrika. What happened? See, 2.
Ma'am, like
Wait,
it's
21? 21 was the radius, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the formula? 2 pi r? No?
Ma'am, we have to find the circumference, right?
Yes. Circumference formula is 2 pi r and area formula is pi r square. Clear? So 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 21, right? So 7 3s are 21. So 44.
So it's basically 1386. After that, something is there. I crossed it out. Is it no?
Why you cross it out, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you get for 3 here. Now you have to multiply all this. 2 multiplied by 22 gives you 42. 44 multiplied by 3. So 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 14. 142 you got. Okay, sorry. 142 and 132.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So why you are getting answers in point? You deducted this 7 with what? 22.
No, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing, ma'am. I found my mistake.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct it now. Okay. Now, once you are done, now you people will be starting with the question number 2. Find the area. You know the area, right? Pi r square. Yes. Clear? Everybody?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, for the second one, first we have to find the radius, right?
Yes, first the radius.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everyone done?
Yes, ma'am.
Mom's
Everybody is
not
done.
done.
Who is not done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not done, Chakrika.
Okay, do it, Chakrita.
Ma'am, I don't get a question. I don't get the B1.
B1. This?
Except that I'm done with rest of all of them.
From here, you will first find the radius, right?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
49 by 2. Yes?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Then?
Ma'am, I got 24.5. So 24.5 into 24.5 into 22 by 7, right? We can't cancel 24.5 with 7.
Can't we?
So
We can cancel it.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, wait. I'll do this. Okay?
No,
So
I
let us
got it. No,
discuss
I got it.
Got that? Okay. Do it quickly, then we will discuss.
No, I'm done.
Okay. So for the first one, what do people got? Sindhu's.
Ma'am, like
616 centimeters
616
square.
meters square.
Yes, ma'am. 616.
Second?
1886.5 centimeters square.
Meter square.
Meter square.
Yeah, sorry, meters.
Third?
550 by 7
78
centimeters.
centimeter square.
550 by 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can find the
And
answer.
I got something else. Yeah, I got the answer. I got 78.57 centimeter.
It's 550 by 7, right? So now what you can do, you can just divide it, right? So you will
Yes,
get
ma'am.
78.57 something, right? It's your choice.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, what's the
That's
answer
what
for
it.
B1 again?
B1, anyone? Wait a minute. B1,
1886.5 meters square.
1886.5.
Can
No?
you do it once?
Okay. See, diameter was given what? 49.
Ma'am, which one you're doing?
Yes, ma'am.
B1.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
49,
ma'am. It was
right?
49 meters
49 or something
divided
else.
by 2.
It was 49, right?
49.
49 by 2, yes.
To
So you
find
will
the
get,
radius.
what you will get?
From 24.5.
24.5, right?
Yes, ma'am. I
24.
got
Now pi r square, right? So
right.
pi 22 by 7 multiplied by 24.5 multiplied by 24.5. So what I do is
We can
22
cancel
by
it.
7 multiplied by 245 divided by 10 multiplied by 245 divided by 10, right? So 7, 1 is 7, 1 is 7, 7 to 14, 7 3 is 21. Then 7, 5 is 35.
35, yes, ma'am.
Now what you can do? First thing, what I personally do is like just multiply the above values, right? So 35 multiplied by 22 would give you 770, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Multiply by 245 below is this, right? So multiply by 245 is 1886. 650 this, right? So you can convert this in decimal now. 2 zeros. So 1, 2. Yes?
Ma'am,
Clear?
you can normally cut it, right, without
Yeah, you can cut this and then you will get
no,
186.5.
not like that, ma'am. Like in the second step, not like this. Yes, ma'am. Instead of
You can do this
making
11
it into
and 2 like this
fraction,
you're saying.
no, ma'am. Instead of making it into a fraction form, you can just cut it by 3, right?
By 3? How can you cut it by 3?
Like with
By
okay, ma'am.
3, how will you cut it? Tell me.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I got it.
So whenever this points come na, just use this method because you know what students basically do. They do this as well. You know, 2s are and then here 11. Then they do this 5 also. That 5 4s are 20. Then 45 5 9s are 45. 5 2s are this. Like this they used to. This is making your calculation more tough, right? Then what you have to do, you have to multiply them up and then you have to divide it by 4. So it becomes still. So whenever there is a 100, just divide the 7 and resting leave it 100. Whatever answer come by multiplication, just put the point. Clear? Everybody?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So now
ma'am.
you people will be doing the third one and fourth one together. Then we will discuss.
Ma'am, can you show the previous one, the B one? Yes, ma'am. We can continue. Ma'am, in the third one, they did not mention the diameter, right?
Sorry?
In the third one, they did not mention the diameter, right?
Yes. Circumference is given to you. You can find the radius, right? No.
Ma'am, to find the radius, it's diameter divided by 2, right?
Yes, in the third one, they are asking you to find the radius. So why you need diameter?
Ma'am, to
Circumference
find
is
the
already
radius.
given. Answer is already given. You have to only find the radius. Sakrika, what happened? We did this type of questions, right? Others? No? You people remember when area was given for the triangle, you used to find height.
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, so what was the question? Circumference is given to you, right? Circumference of circle is what? 2 pi r?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Circumference is already given to you. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r. Cannot you find r? This is already given, na? Just bring all the value here, leave the r here and solve it. You remember? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure? Or do you want me to solve this?
Ma'am, can we just try
Ma'am, I
it?
already solved it, but I don't know if the answer is correct.
Ma'am,
Okay,
like, can we
no
just
issue.
try it and
Yeah,
last?
try
Can
it.
you explain
Okay.
it?
The circumference is 154. You have to do it like this only. Okay, I'm just writing it. See, it's your choice. Either you can do it like this or do it like this. Circumference 154. 2 pi r equals to 154. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r 154. Now find the value of r. Okay, both the ways. I do this, but if you get confused in bringing the things here on the left hand side, then you can write it like this as well. Okay.
Mom, I think I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
I'm done.
Okay. So what you people got? Hmm? Tell me.
Mom, the radius, I got radius as 2.
2. Mm-mm-mm.
I guess 24.5 meter.
Yes, 24.5 it is.
And area is like 1886.5 meters square.
Yes. Okay, so I'm doing this. Anyone who has a problem, have a look. Okay. Which one you are following? First one or the second one? First method or the second method? Which one? This or this?
Mama was
Ma'am,
following the
first
first
First one. Okay. Let's just do it. Okay. So over here, this 7 will, first of all, this is in multiplication, so it will go like this. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So 154 divided by 2. You got 77. Yes? Now over
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
this 7 is in division, right? It will go here in multiplication. So here is left this. Yes? 77 multiplied by 7 would give you 539. Yes? And then R, this 22 will go here. So when you will divide it with 22, you will get 24.5. Clear? Yes? Now,
Yes,
if
ma'am,
you
clear.
have the radius with you, I think you can find the area, which is pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7 multiplied by radius is 24.5 multiplied by 24.5. Yes? Then it would be 22 by 7 multiplied by 245 by, I think this is like the previous one only. Yes? 7, 3s are 20 and 7 5s are. Right? So over here, what will happen? 22 multiplied by 35 multiply by 2. Yes, I think, sorry, I just lost. Okay, sorry. 100. Yes. Yes or no, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will get 188650 by 100. You can cut 0 and 0 and 1886.5. Done. Centimeter square. Got it? So those who haven't done
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
quickly note it up. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Everybody is done? Writing? Okay. Okay, now do the next one. What is the next one? This fourth one. Okay. Should I discuss this question first? Are you people getting it? What you have to find? What do you have to find? Area or circumference? Tell me.
Ma'am, what?
In fourth question, what you have to find? Area or circumference?
Ma'am, circumference.
Do it. Try doing it. Others I'll discuss.
Ma'am, it is,
Okay,
we have to find circumference, right?
Yes, you have to find the circumference and it is making 2 rounds. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So over here, whatever circumference comes, right? You will simply multiply that answer with 2. Why? Because it's saying 2 rounds. Right? And then it is cost this. Right? So 1 meter is for 4 rupees. So whatever answer you come, if you will multiply it with 4 and you will get the answer. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done.
Ma'am, can you just explain how to do it? I didn't get it.
Just do one thing. You have to find the circumference. Find the circumference. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
And once you find the circumference, let me know. Then I'll tell you the next step. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Mom, I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So first,
do you wanna-
if the ones who find the circumference, now what he is saying, he's saying a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter this. So find the length of the rope he needs to purchase. If he makes 2 rounds, so you found the circumference that is for 1 round. Whatever answer you got, you will multiply that answer with 2. So that means it is for 2 rounds, right? And then it
Yes,
says
ma'am.
that the cost of rope is 4 meter, right? So if you, for example, whatever answer you got, for example, you got
The cost
200
is
meters,
4 rupees per
right?
meter,
So
right?
for 1 meter, it is rupees 4. So for 200 meter, it would be rupees 4 multiplied by 200, right? And here the answer comes in rupees. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it's 4 rupees per meter, right?
Yes. So per meter means 1 meter.
But you said
Okay, ma'am.
4 meter, right?
No, it's 4 rupees per meter. 1 rupee is
Oh,
for
okay.
1 meter. If you see, for example, you got 200 meter, right? In
Is-
case
no,
you
is-
only needed 1 meter, you will only pay 4 rupees. But you are using 200 meters. So
Yes,
just
ma'am.
multiply it with 200. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Because before you said 4
Okay, might
meters.
be.
So,
Might be. Okay. So over here, you can see here it is written, right? Rupees 4
yes,
per
ma'am.
meter. That means per means
Okay, ma'am.
1 meter. Okay, so 1 meter is for
Okay, ma'am.
rupees 4. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Vega, now do it. Can you do it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, quickly do it. We'll just wait and then we'll listen.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, so let's just discuss the answer. Okay, Sindus, you are also done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, first of all, the circumference. What you got? 66 meter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When you will multiply it with 2, you got 132, right?
132. Yes, ma'am.
And the
Yes,
cost
ma'am.
is rupees 528.
528. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now do the next one, fifth one. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed, right? Let me just read it. Okay. Can you see this? The question, right?
I'm
So you have
asked
to
two
find the area
questions.
of remaining sheet. This is the same question which we did the example in the first, like when we joined the class now.
Yes, ma'am.
Same question, right? Quickly do it.
Okay, ma'am.